How to insert two different page numbering formats in the same Word document. Hey guys, in today's video, I will show you how to insert two different page numbering formats in the same Word document. Let's say you want to use Roman numerals for the first 3 pages and English numbers for the last 2 pages. For the first step, insert Roman numerals for the first section. Double-click the bottom of the page to activate the header and the footer. Then, go to the Insert tab and click Page Number. Choose where you want the page numbers, either top of page or bottom of page. Click Page Number again, then choose Format Page Numbers. Under Number Format, select Roman numerals, click Start At, then click OK. Close the header and the footer. As you can see, the Roman numerals has been applied. Next, I will add English numbers to the 2 remaining pages. Place your cursor at the bottom of the 3rd page. Go to the Layout tab. Click Breaks. Under Section Breaks, choose Next Page. Now go to the page where you want to start the English numbers. Double-click on the head and footer again. Click Link to Previous to turn it off. Then go to the Insert tab. Click Page Number again. Then Format Page Numbers. And this time choose the English numbers and set it to start at 1. Then click OK. And that's it. Now your document has 2 different page numbering formats. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.